In today's guide video, I'll teach you how to book places on GetYourGuide.com. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in GetYourGuide.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Get Your Guide. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to book places, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply click on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for the place that you would like to book. Enter it over here and press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the results. You can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the place that you would like to book. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the new interface. You'll be able to see more details about that specific place over here. You'll also be able to see the reviews. So if you want to check the availability, what you have to do is select the participant and date. Click on the field of participant. Now you'll be able to find the option for adult, child and EU citizen over here. If you want to increase the number of adults, simply click on the plus icon. If you want to decrease it, simply click on the minus icon. Follow the same process for other options too. Likewise, you'll also be able to select the date. Simply click on this option, select date. Now what you have to do is simply pick a date over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you select the participant and date, click on this option, check availability that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the available options over here. You'll be able to find the options like duration, location, etc. You'll also be able to see the starting time over here. Click on the option of your choice. Right over here, you'll also be able to see the price. Now what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the personal details. Right over here, you'll be able to find the section for personal details. You can edit if you want, simply click on the edit option. Likewise, you'll also have to enter the date of birth, first name and last name. Make sure to select the date of birth. First of all, select the day. Likewise, select the month and select the year. Also, make sure to enter the first name and last name over here. Now after you provide the information, click on this option, go to payment that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the payment checkout interface. What you have to do is simply select the payment method over here. You'll be able to find the options for PayPal, Google Pay, debit or credit card. Simply click on the payment method of your choice. Here I'm just going to select the option debit or credit card. If you also select it, what you have to do is simply enter the card details over here. First of all, enter the card number. After you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the expiry date over here. Enter the month. Now what you have to do is simply enter the year. After you do that, also enter the CVV. Also make sure to enter the name on card. Now after you enter the card details, click on this option Pay Now that you can see on the screen. Now after the payment is done and the transaction is completed, the place will be booked. So like this, you'll be able to book the place. So that is how you book places on GetYourGuide.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.